Hi there, I'm back. I am back. It's March and I'm back. So I haven't been uploading in YouTube for a while now. I did have so many videos that I still need to edit that I promised in a couple of my latest vlogs that I will upload in the WF, but that didn't happen. I'm sorry that I told you guys that I'm gonna be consistent, but I kind of let you guys down. But anyways, I am back and I'm not gonna tell you I'm gonna be back uploading because I don't trust myself. So we went out of state last week. No, not last week. We came back last week. It was just a couple of days. A package from Mejuri. Okay, why is the light so bright? Okay, I got a package from Mejuri. This came last week and I just want to show you guys real quick because it's absolutely adorbs. They're adorable. It came with this little cutie bag. So this is they sent me this. I think this is an earring. I'll put like the name on the screen, but it's, oh my goodness, they look like a croissant. There you go. That's how it looked like. It's so cute and I can't wait to take pictures of this, wearing this and actually styling them. So that's that. And then it came with, of course, like the little pouch, and I think I'm just gonna store this in their actual box because I like them like that. And I believe there's a polishing cloth that came out with. Okay, this lighting is so bad. There you go, focus. Okay, so they also sent me this. What's this? Ooh, necklace. It's very nice. I believe this is 18K plated gold jewelry. Oh my goodness. Look at this beauty. Isn't she adorbs? I also love their packaging. I really loved it. It's very sleek. And yeah, I'm also gonna keep this in their box. And I also want to show you guys this little brown bag. It's like a little makeup bag pouch. I was shocked that how many makeup can hold in this little, I mean, it doesn't look little, but in this makeup pouch, because all of my makeup, not all of them, that like my everyday makeup, I put it in here, and I'm amazed that it still has space. And I'm just amazed, like wow. Also, this bag, if you ordered from Miret website, you can get this bag if you purchase from them, if it's your first purchase. But if you're gonna buy it again, I think they're not gonna send you another bag. I think they're only sending it one time if you're, you know, if it's your first purchase. I cannot talk, but yes. Anyways, I'm just gonna get ready and so I can film the unboxing and review, and then I'll catch up with you lovely birds later. Hello, so I just got done filming the review, so you guys are gonna see that first. And so today I don't have any work, but I'll be back at work in a couple of days, I believe. So anyway, I'm gonna fold the clothes. I have so much chores to do today. It's insanely, I don't know, I don't even know where to start. So I have to do the laundry, I have to cook food, I have to go groceries tomorrow, or if not, maybe later today, maybe tomorrow, because I have, like I said, I have so many things to do. And I also need to arrange this mess right here, which is my closet. Yeah, so I'm gonna do like a little spring cleaning. It's almost spring in a couple of weeks and I'm excited because I don't like the sunset at 5:30. It's just very depressing to me. Yeah, and I feel like, I don't know, I can't do anything. So I'm excited for spring. Who else is excited? Raise your hand. But anyways, I'm gonna try to get out the clothes that I am not gonna be wearing. And also, I did stop by at Zara while I was while I was in Florida, and I got this cute shirt. It's so bright and yellow. And I also got like a tank top just like this from Zara, but a little bit of pinkish purplish. You're gonna see that on my Instagram. I took a picture of that. It's really cute. And I also have a lot of cute bikinis from Target. I got two, like a lilac color, and then the other one was like orangey yellow color. I really love it, and they were on sale for like $14. The original price was like something between like $19 or $20, but yeah, I got this for $25. It's very cute. Look how cute that is. And it's, you know, springtime, and I can't wait. Color you know, shirts and stuff. I mean, I still love like my neutrals, but I'm trying to make sure that I wear, you know, colors. So this is also one of my list, but before that I do have to just like fold the clothes first, and then kind of just like rearrange my closet and do like a little bit of spring cleaning. All right, so this is what I got from Zara. This top right here, it's really cute. I love it. I believe this is just like $5.90, and yeah, look at my clothes, you guys. It's getting colorful and I love it. So I have a problem and I don't know what to do. So this is my Speedy 25 bag, and when my mom-in-law took us to this diner and it was raining, and I forgot. I should have just left this in the car, but for some reason I don't know why I bought it with me. So it was raining so hard, and I forgot that I didn't treat this bag or this handle with the water repellent. And look, you guys, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there is like a water stain. I don't know, it's like my small problem right about there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but right there. So yeah, now I don't know what to do because I don't like how the way it look, and I don't know how to repair them. I should have treated this before I even you know, use this bag, and I don't know what to do. So I mean, it's tiny, you can barely see it. Like I can barely see it if I really put my eyes up to it, but there's like 1 2 3 4 dots, 5 actually. Oh my goodness, like 5. I mean, it's like a part of it, but at the same time I just don't like the way it looks. So that's like my small problem. So I should have, like I said, I should have like leave this alone and put it in the back of the car. But yeah, that's like my problem, and I don't know where or how to treat it. Maybe I'll just probably watch a video on how to treat this bag. But yeah, and also I use this while traveling. It actually fits a lot of stuff in here, which is I really love about the Speedy 25. They do have the Speedy 30 or 35, but the 25 kind of like fits my, you know, my size. Like, okay, yeah, I really love it, and it kind of like age really good. I mean, I have this bag, I don't know if it's been a year now, but yeah, it still looks pretty good. This Mejuri crew sweatshirt that they sent me is honestly amazing. I wore this at the airport, and I have a couple of girls asking me, where did you buy that sweatshirt? I'm like, it's from Mejuri. They just sent it to me, and it says $35. I think it's $35 online, and you can still, you know, buy this online. I'm gonna try to leave it in the description box below if you are interested. It's just a white crew neck. I got the size large. Yes, pretty simple. It says embroidered with golden print, or golden right here. It says golden, and there's Mejuri as well right there. So yeah, I do love this, especially like airport or like, yeah. So this one I'm gonna hang this type of like clothes, and I have some of my tops that I also want to put it on a hanger. So let me just finish this and rearrange our bag.